Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to sum by year in Excel. So this is my sales data, specific dates with corresponding sales for each row. I want to quickly create a summary report by year. In these cells, I want to put in the total sales for each year. There are several ways you can do this in Excel, including using the pivot table to summarize this data. If you are stuck and you want to use formulas, what you can do is to use Excel's SUMPRODUCT function, a very versatile function that helps you sum if a certain condition is met. Now, to use SUMPRODUCT, you need to test a certain condition or criteria. In this case, the criteria or condition we are testing is to find out if any dates in this range is equal to our current date. So in Excel, when you run the year function on a selected date, what it gives you is the year portion of that date. So this currently will give me 2018 when I run it on this. Now I want to test if this year is equal to my current year, so I'll bring an equal sign. This equation can evaluate to a true or a false. In this current case, if I evaluate, press F9, I get a false. The value for this false is 0 and the value for true is 1. So what happens is, in all cases where the dates are equal to 2013, I will get a true, and then it will multiply every sale that is equal to 2013 and give me the total for 2013. So basically that's how the function or the formula works. So let's start the full function. Equal to SUMPRODUCT. So you open your bracket and then you follow up with another bracket which you are going to use to test the first array or condition. So here I'm running year. Now SUMPRODUCT is an array function, so it can work on a range of cells at the same time. So I select this range and I'll press F4 because I'll be copying this down. I don't want this to move as I copy down. So basically what I'm doing is I am testing if these days I've selected is equal to 2013. I'm going to get a series of trues and falses. So it is this that we are going to use, and we'll multiply this by the range of sales here. So I'll close my final bracket, and don't forget to lock this range as well because you'll be copying this down. F7 is free to move as it will be changing from 2013 downwards. So this is my full formula. I'll press enter and then I'll copy this down for the rest of the years. So if you check, total sales here is 222323 and total sales here is 2323. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Please visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.